So good morning all of you. So first of all, I would like to pay a great thanks to my teacher who has given me a golden opportunity to speak here. So my name is Anju and today my topic is characteristics of this society. So what is society? According to me, society it is a group of people, and in this group we have a lot of thoughts. In which group pupils has a lots of customs, different thoughts, and different rituals. So in this society, when a person born in this society, so after born we have to learn like language. We learn talk to someone. We learn rules and regulation of the society. And nowadays in our society have a modern rituals and some traditional rituals. We can see our dresses, we can see our food, and we can see our language. Nowadays modern rituals and the traditional rituals are compiled. Like now we can see our example. Now we thought sun is a, according to the modern thought, sun is a star, but according to the tradition, sun is a god. And we can take a second example. We believe in the many type of modern treatments like gene therapy, stem cell therapy, and as well as we believe in the Ayurveda. So it is most of the examples we have. Through this we can believe in the modern and the tradition compilation. So if I talk about some characteristics of the society, so in our society, first is caste system. In our society, have a lot of caste, but sometimes we see caste discrimination and the fight between the different caste. Every pupils take a advantage of higher caste and give a negative impact of lower caste. So it is a normal. In our society have a lot of religion, and we see many times between many religions between fight. We can see Hindu and Muslim fight. We can see many fights between the religion. In our society we can see women's situation. Women's situation is very critical situation nowadays, but in ancient time also critical situation. Like in ancient time women faced many rituals from the society, like dowry system, sati pratha, and the patriarchal system. But most of the negative rituals has finished now. Only one rituals now is happening, that is dowry system. Dowry system is increasing now, and most of the pupils like dowry and want to take dowry. And if I talk about the women education, so most of the parents and most of the pupils don't want to read to our daughters. Like parents don't allow to marriage for our decision of women decision. Parents don't allow to the marriage, and women have to face the patriarchal system. Women can't take decision. Women have to vote according to their husband, their brother, their father. And but we can see a lot of examples in our society about the women. Nowadays women is doing very good in every field. Women, we can see recently UPSC result came, and in UPSC Shakti Dubey ma'am took a first rank in UPSC. So it was a hard work, and it was an opportunity of every girl, and she is an inspiration for every girl in a society. If I talk about the education system in our society, so some benefits of education and some positive system in education. But nowadays education it is for only question answer and the syllabus. Teachers don't take valuable knowledge and like morality knowledge. Teachers only depend on books, only depend on syllabus. That's why students can't take a lot of knowledge about the society, about the practical knowledge. So it was all about the society, characteristics of the society. So it was all about my topic. Thank you so much for listening me, and nice to meet you.